Hi guys, Travis here, Perth Diesel Performance. Today in this video what we're going to run you through is a custom build setup, what we've done for a customer on a late model Land Cruiser. And two things in this video is how we've put the vehicle together to be reliable for the touring side of it, but something yet that hasn't been seen at all on the market. Something extra special is our PDM module. So power distribution, what that means is we've got rid of all of the relays and all of the fuses out of the car, and we've got one unit that controls the whole vehicle, and it's really simple and more reliable. So we'll get into the build and we'll run you through it, and we'll also show you a bit about that, but there'll be another video on that later on as well. All right, so as you can see, we've fitted this Land Cruiser off with the TJM bar work, and we've got the 12,000 pound winch tucked away in there in the bar, the Factor 55 Ultra hook on here. We've also got the TJM scrub bars, so we've fitted them off as well. And then as running further down here, we've obviously got the TJM steps on it. We've obviously treated them with a Line-X coating just to give them more reliability and durability. And we didn't really like the checker plate finish. We wanted that matte finish and more grip as you get out of the vehicle. Coming back up to the front, as you can see, the car's decked out with a complete kit with Light Force lights. The car has actually got 10 Light Force lights on them. They are discreet, but with our power distribution module, the PDM module that we were talking about earlier on, it controls all the lights and it complies with ADR road rules. So when they come on, it's all legal where they're mounted. You can see the Light Force HDXs, 230s at the front, LED, HID. The rock lights on the side, these turn off over 40 k's an hour. And then also coming back further in the build, we've got the rock lights on the side lights up here. Also complementing that is the Rhino roof rack up here. And then also you will see we've got the AirTech snorkel. Beauty about this one is we haven't drilled any holes in the car. That's one thing we like to use products that cater for all the factory holes. It makes for a neater fit off and no points of rust to start. We're not a fan of drilling lots of holes in the cars. We like things that are designed specifically for the vehicle, and that's what we specialise here at PDP. Okay, so we're going to jump into the engine bay. We're going to show you all the mods we've done under there, but also just to touch base on all the products you have seen, like the snorkel, the Light Force lights, the HDXs, anything that you're actually after specifically for your vehicle, you can purchase them online through us. We do have all the items in stock, so when we say we're a cruiser one-stop shop, we are. First thing you're going to see is a dual battery setup, PDP dual batteries. We've already done a video on this, so if you want to see more information, jump onto our YouTube channel there. Also coupled to our battery tray, which we've explained in that video, was also the ability to mount the Unichip to our custom PDP tune package, which incorporates 5 different tunes for all the different driving conditions. Included in the 5 tunes on this vehicle, what we've been focusing for is on-road, off-road, high idle tune and an everyday tune. Obviously our number one goal in any tuning is reliability. It's to get you out to the tracks, remote places and get you home, and that's what we're looking for, and the low down torque. That's our main goal of what we're, as you can see, building a package that's reliable. Integrated into that is the EGT protection, but we'll show you the gauges in the vehicle for a seamless, reliable package. Moving forward around this way, obviously we've got a catch can installed here, we've got a winch isolator. So as you can see here, we've got the PDP BCDC bracket that we've had for a while. A lot of guys have probably seen that. And then also moving over to this side, what we've got here is our power distribution module. So we've formed up another bracket that all mounts onto here. It's not intrusive, there is no relays in the engine bay, no fuses. There's just the 2 main fuses that feed this unit, and it's all controlled within itself. So we'll show you inside after, and you'll see how neat and smart this package really is. The breathers as well, obviously what we get asked a lot of questions is breathing in the locker motors. So yes, it does breathe everything in the vehicle in one unit. The fuel filtration kit, that's all bolted in there again. No holes are drilled, it uses existing bodywork holes. Obviously the snorkel, we've already run through that in the exterior. So we'll jump inside and we'll show you what we've done in there. So with this build, we've gone with the custom V8 Cruiser gauge kit. It's something we've done for a while now. What that does is incorporates the EGT protection in with the Unichip. The top one being the boost, the bottom one being the exhaust gas temperature. Another thing we've also added to the vehicle is the cruise control. It's a factory look stalk cruise control. Another kit we also do. The 5-map Unichip selector is on the right hand side here. The battery link, and also we've gone for the auxiliary changeover relay setup. So what I mean by auxiliary accessory override changeover system is we've got the keys out of the ignition, we're camping, what we want to do, we want to have the radio lights on, so what we do is we hit this one here, it swaps everything over to the auxiliary battery. So now our main battery can't go flat. So if you tip this switch back, it's ready to go. What we're going to touch on here is with the PDM, the switch panel. Obviously this is a 10 switch panel here. That's all integrated into the vehicle at the front. We have removed the ashtray so that we can install the switch panel on a custom bracket we've put into the dash here. We haven't drilled any holes. We've clipped it straight into the factory plastics on the dash here. Obviously we've got HID lights, the LED lights, we've got reverse lights, we've got the work lights on the tray here, we've got the side lights, the winch as well, it links in the two batteries together. Everything's logic based, so it needs inputs and outputs based on if the car's running, the RPM, the battery voltage. It's not, you just can't get a flat battery from it, it's foolproof. If the battery drops under 10.5 volts, it'll start shutting things down. If the car's locked, it shuts everything down depending on what we program it for. So it's a very smart, sophisticated system. Okay guys, and also to add to that, we've put a 3.5-inch stainless steel exhaust, still running a catalytic converter and a muffler in it, and still getting some awesome results out of it. And you should hear this thing too. Also, to handle the extra torque increase that we've got from the engine here, we've upgraded the clutch to an MPC 1300 Newton meter clutch. It's given us the drivability with a lighter than factory clutch pedal feel, but also the largest clutch on the market. Added that with a crossover pipe and a 3.5-inch stainless steel exhaust. Also with the suspension, what you can see the ride height here, it has got a Lovells GVM upgrade in it. It is lifted to 3,900 kilos and it's all registered and done, turnkey, ready to go for the customer. Alright guys, thanks for watching another video. If you want to subscribe to see more of what we do here at Perth Diesel Performance, the link here. Or if you want to see more of our custom products and DIY stuff we do for Toyota Land Cruisers, follow the link below and stay tuned for more videos.